How does biodiversity mitigate farmland risks from pests? Imagine a farm where pests are less of a threat without heavy chemical use. That's the power of biodiversity. For farmland investors, understanding how natural ecosystems can reduce pest problems is key to smarter risk management. When farms have diverse plantings, they interrupt pest life cycles, making it harder for pests to thrive. Growing different crops in rotation or as polycultures creates a natural barrier, preventing pests from spreading easily. This means fewer infestations and less need for costly pesticides. Research shows that farms with a variety of crops, hedges, trees, and meadows support larger populations of beneficial insects and wild pollinators. These helpful creatures can increase by around 40% in such environments. They naturally prey on harmful pests, keeping pest numbers in check without chemical help. This biological control is a big plus for property owners because it lowers operational costs and reduces crop losses. Creating habitat diversity around farmland also plays a major role. Maintaining woody vegetation and diverse plant cover supports natural enemies of pests. Farms with cover crops and pollinator habitats tend to have fewer pest outbreaks. This operational efficiency means less money spent on chemical pest control, which improves profit margins and reduces the risk of crop failure. Biodiversity also benefits soil health, which is often overlooked. Soils rich in microbial life can suppress disease-causing organisms and pests. Diverse crop systems boost soil fertility naturally, decreasing the need for chemical fertilizers. For investors, farmland with healthy soils is a safer bet because it's more resilient to environmental stresses like droughts or extreme temperatures. Mixed cropping systems often produce higher yields because different plants use resources more efficiently. This diversity makes crops more resistant to pest outbreaks and environmental stresses. As a result, farms with rich biodiversity tend to have more stable harvests year after year. This stability reduces financial risks for investors, making such properties more attractive. From an economic point of view, farms that relying on biodiversity for pest control spend less on chemicals, grow more consistent crops, and face fewer losses. These advantages can lead to higher property values and better returns. Plus, farms practicing sustainable, biodiversity-based methods often command premium prices in the market. For farmland investors, understanding how biodiversity reduces pest risks helps in choosing properties that are less vulnerable to pest outbreaks and pesticide resistance. It's a smart way to lower operational risks, cut costs, and boost long-term profitability. Investing in farmland with healthy ecosystems means investing in a more resilient, sustainable future for agriculture.